essential for retro gamers, enabling Wii consoles to connect modern HDMI TVs with improved clarity, convenience, and compatibility. My today's video is about top 5 best Wii to HDMI adapter that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Portholic Wii to HDMI adapter. The Portholic Wii to HDMI adapter is a compact and practical solution for retro gamers looking to modernize their Wii setup without hassle. Its plug-and-play design makes installation effortless. Simply connected directly to the console, an HDMI display with no drivers or complex settings required. Despite its small size, it delivers a convenient upgrade by converting Wii output for modern TVs, monitors, and projectors. The inclusion of a 3.5mm audio jack is a thoughtful addition, allowing private listening through headphones or external speakers, which enhances late-night gaming comfort. However, users should note compatibility limitations, such as the need to switch to 480p for optimal performance and the inability to work with switches, splitters, or Wii Mini systems. Its ultra-compact form factor ensures a clean, clutter-free setup by attaching directly to the console. Now our second product is Autetlit Wii to HDMI adapter. The Wii to HDMI adapter is a well-built and practical upgrade for anyone wanting to enjoy classic Wii gaming on modern displays. Its reinforced cable design improves durability, reducing the risk of breakage, while multi-layer shielding helps minimize interference, ensuring a stable, flicker-free gaming experience. Supporting full HD 1080p output, it delivers noticeably clearer visuals and clean digital audio compared to traditional AV connections. The adapter is compatible with all Wii display modes, including NTSC 480i/480p and PAL 576i, ensuring broad usability across different game formats and regions. Its plug-and-play functionality makes setup effortless. No drivers or configuration required. Just connect and play. By converting analog signals into fully digital HDMI output, it preserves both video and audio quality with minimal loss. Compact and reliable, it also works with various HDMI-enabled devices like TVs, monitors, and projectors. Our third product is Ticure Wii to HDMI adapter. The Ticure Wii to HDMI adapter offers a simple and reliable way to bring classic Wii gaming into the modern era without hassle. Its plug-and-play design eliminates the need for extra cables or power sources. Just connect the Wii directly to any HDMI-equipped TV, monitor, or projector and start playing instantly. By converting analog signals into a clean digital HDMI output, it delivers a more stable and clearer image with reduced static and interference compared to traditional AV connections. Supporting 480p, 480i, and 576i resolutions, it ensures compatibility with a wide range of Wii titles, though optimal performance is achieved when set to 480p. The built-in 1.5-meter cable adds convenience and flexibility for everyday setups. While it does not support the Wii Mini, it works well with standard Wii consoles, making it ideal for family game nights, nostalgic sessions, or casual multiplayer fun on a big screen with friends and family. Now number 4, McBazel Wii to HDMI adapter. This Wii HDMI adapter is a practical solution for bringing classic Wii gaming into modern HDMI-based setups, offering broad compatibility with all Wii display modes, including NTSC 480i/480p and PAL 576i. It converts the console's standard output into HDMI 1.3 format, allowing both audio and video to transmit through a single cable for a cleaner and more organized setup. The inclusion of a 3.5mm audio jack is especially useful for connecting external speakers or headsets when the display lacks sound output, enhancing flexibility for different environments. With no need for an external power adapter, it maintains a simple plug-and-play experience ideal for casual users and family gaming setups. However, users must carefully note resolution limitations, as some displays default to 480i and certain monitors may not support lower resolutions, resulting in black screens or no signal. It also does not upscale content to 1080p. And our last choice is eSonic Wii to HDMI adapter. This Wii to HDMI converter cable is a simple yet effective upgrade for anyone looking to relive classic Wii gaming on modern HDMI-only displays. It eliminates the hassle of outdated AV connections by converting the console's analog signal into a clean digital HDMI output, making it easy to enjoy titles like Mario Kart, Wii Sports, and Zelda on HDTVs, monitors, or projectors. The all-in-one cable design is a standout feature, combining Wii and HDMI connectors into a single lightweight 1.5mm cord, which reduces clutter and improves portability compared to bulky adapter boxes. It supports multiple Wii display modes, including NTSC 480i/480p and PAL 576i, with upscaling support for sharper output on HD screens, maintaining good audio-video synchronization for smooth gameplay. Ideal for retro gamers, families, dorm rooms, and casual party setups, it offers quick plug-and-play convenience. However, users must check compatibility carefully, especially resolution settings and device limitations, for best performance. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.